Definition of pancreatitis. Pancreatitis is an inflammation and potential necrosis of the pancreas. It may be acute or chronic. So, pancreatitis is the inflammation and potential necrosis of the pancreas, and it may be acute or chronic. Acute versus chronic pancreatitis. Acute pancreatitis. Acute pancreatitis is a sudden inflammation of the pancreas, resulting in swelling, pain, and poor digestion. Seriously, serious complications are possible, particularly if the pancreas become inflated. So this is acute pancreatitis. And in chronic pancreatitis is a marked by persistent inflammation in the pancreas, causing permanent damage to the vital organ. So, in chronic pancreatitis, we can see the sudden inflammation in the pancreas that causes permanent damage in the vital organ. Chronic pancreatitis is incurable. So, chronic pancreatitis is not is incurable, and certain life-threatening complications can occur, including liver failure, diabetes, pancreatic cancer. So this is chronic pancreatitis. Etiology of pancreatitis. Certain drugs, anti-inflammatory drugs such as non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, antibiotics, infection with mumps, hepatitis virus, rubella, pancreatic cancer, high level of triglycerides, hereditary diseases, injury to the abdomen. Signs and symptoms of pancreatitis. So these are the signs and symptoms of acute pancreatitis. We can see severe abdominal pain, abdominal tenderness and back pain, abdominal distension, nausea and vomiting, abdominal guarding, ecchymosis, bruising in the flank, fever, jaundice, confusion such as mental confusion, hypotension, acute renal failure, respiratory distress, myocardial depression. And some signs and symptoms of chronic pancreatitis: severe upper abdominal back pain, nausea and vomiting, weight loss, malabsorption, steatorrhea. The stools become frequent, frothy and foul smell, dependence on opioids. So these are some signs and symptoms of chronic pancreatitis. Now we can see some diagnostic evaluation of pancreatitis. History of abdominal pain, physical examination, diagnostic finding such as white blood cells count is usually evaluated, hematocrit and hemoglobin level, hypocalcemia, X-ray studies, ultrasonography, glucose tolerance test. So these are some diagnostic evaluation of pancreatitis. Management of pancreatitis. Medical management. Acute pancreatitis may require patient to be admitted to the hospital. So it is compulsory to admit the patient to the hospital. Nil per oral is maintained to allow the pancreas to rest and stabilize intravenous fluids and nutrition, and these sections may be used to relieve nausea and vomiting. Pharmacological management such as analgesics, morphine, anti-emetic agents, histamine 2 antagonists, antibiotics, enzyme supplements such as pancrelipase, probiotic supplements, multivitamin daily, omega-3 fatty acids. So these are some pharmacological management of pancreatitis. Now we can see some nutrition and supplements that is given to the patient. Eliminate all suspected food allergens. Eat food high in B vitamins and iron. Eat antioxidant food. Avoid refined food such as white bread, pasta, and sugar. Eat less red meat and more lean meat. Use healthy oil for cooking. Eliminate trans fatty acids. Avoid coffee and other stimulants, alcohol, and tobacco. Drink 6 to 8 glasses of filtered water daily. Exercise moderately daily. Surgical management of pancreatitis. Endoscopic retrograde cholangiopancreatography, biliary drainage, pancreatic gymnostomy, autotransplantation, spectrotomy, diagnostic laparotomy. So these are some surgical management of pancreatitis. Complications of pancreatitis such as shock, hypocalcemia, high blood glucose, dehydration, respiratory complications, hemorrhagic pancreatitis, pancreatic pseudocyst. So these are some complications of pancreatitis.